Today, we're going to be making Mediterranean Orzo Salad. This is the perfect summertime salad, full of fresh ingredients. I'm excited to show you this recipe. Welcome to Food Crazed. To start, we're going to be making the salad dressing for this recipe. In order to do that, we need to juice one fresh lemon. In a mini food processor, we're going to be adding our salad dressing ingredients. To start, we need 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice. We're going to add in 1 clove of garlic and 1 tablespoon of honey. If you don't have a mini food processor, you can always do this salad dressing ingredients in a blender, or you could put it in a bowl and just finely mince the garlic and use a whisk to whisk up the ingredients together. Now add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I like to use pink Himalayan salt for this. And we're going to be adding in 1/8 teaspoon of ground pepper. Before we add our oil to the salad dressing mix, we need to blend up these ingredients together and puree the garlic that we added to this. And I like to pulse it a few times and then really give it a good mix so that everything gets nice and incorporated together. Okay, now add in 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Now just blend this all up together and combine the ingredients so that the salad dressing is done, and then we can just set it to the side. Take a large pot of water and bring it to a full rapid boil, and add a pinch of salt to it. And then we're going to add in 1 pound, which is about 16 ounces, or 1 package of orzo pasta. And just cook the pasta according to your package directions. Once the orzo pasta has fully cooked, we're going to go ahead and drain this into a sink. And I like to run cold water over my pasta to cool it down rapidly. This really helps because then we can put together the rest of the salad ingredients. And you can see I'm running cold water on it, and sometimes I even toss it around with my hands just to make sure that the pasta underneath the top layer also has a chance to cool down under the cold water. Give it a little shake or a toss just to make sure you can drain that well, and then put it in a bowl so we're ready to add the rest of the ingredients. To this, let's add 1 pint of grape tomatoes that have been sliced in half. And we're going to add a 1/2 cup of kalamata olives, and I like to slice those in half as well. Then we're going to add 1 4-ounce container of crumbled feta cheese. And 1/2 cup of Italian flat leaf parsley that has been freshly chopped. And 3 tablespoons of petite capers still in their juice. Now all we have left to do is add our salad dressing that we put together earlier. Go ahead and give it a little whisk because sometimes the oil and lemon juice will separate a little bit, and pour it over the top. Time to give this salad a little toss and evenly distribute the ingredients throughout the pasta. Doesn't this just look great? I'm going to go ahead and give this a little taste test just to, see how the flavors are all coming together, see if I needed a little bit more salt or pepper added to it. I'm telling you, this is such a refreshing salad to have in the summertime, and to serve it when you're maybe grilling some food on the grill, and bring this out or share it with family and friends. Go ahead and drop me a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more yummy recipes. Thanks again for watching.